Welcome to the ultimate guide to becoming a data scientist, your complete roadmap to mastering the world of data analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. This AI-powered learning roadmap will take you step by step from being a complete beginner to becoming an expert in data science. Let's dive in. First, prerequisites and who should opt for this path. Are you curious about solving real-world problems with data? Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone switching careers, this roadmap is for you. Before starting, you need some basics: high school level mathematics, an analytical mindset, and a willingness to learn programming. Don't worry if you're new to coding, we've got you covered. Next, where to begin, the foundations. We begin with the essentials. First, focus on mathematics. Learn probability, statistics, linear algebra, and calculus. Free platforms like Khan Academy and resources like The Elements of Statistical Learning are your go-to options. Next, pick up a programming language. Python is the most popular choice, and you can start with free resources like Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. Get introduced to data science basics using courses from platforms like Coursera or AWS. Next, data handling and visualization. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to dive into data handling and visualization. Learn to clean and pre-process data using tools like Pandas and NumPy. Watch the video on Guide to Data Cleaning and Manipulation on this channel. Next, make your data tell a story. Use tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Tableau, or Microsoft Power BI to create stunning visualizations. Don't forget SQL, an essential skill for querying databases. Platforms like Mode Analytics offer excellent free tutorials. Next, machine learning and deep learning. Now comes the heart of data science: machine learning. Start with regression, classification, clustering, and dimensionality reduction techniques. Take your skills further with deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Learn these using resources like Andrew Ng's courses on Coursera. Learn to deploy your models on cloud platforms like AWS SageMaker, Google Vertex AI, and Azure ML Studio. Moving on to advanced topics. At the expert level, tackle big data with tools like Hadoop and Spark, and explore cloud computing. Dive into natural language processing with Hugging Face and GPT models. Don't forget AI ethics and explainability, crucial aspects of responsible AI development. Next, certifications and recognized bodies. Validate your expertise with certifications like Google's Professional Data Engineer, AWS Machine Learning Specialty, and Microsoft Azure Data Scientist Associate. Next, tools and resources. Use free tools like Google Colab for experiments, Kaggle for datasets, and AI-driven platforms like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot for learning and assistance. Join communities like Kaggle, Stack Overflow, and Reddit to share knowledge and stay motivated. Practice daily, experiment with real-world datasets, and keep learning. The journey to becoming a data scientist is challenging but immensely rewarding. Follow this roadmap, leverage AI tools, and turn your passion for data into expertise. The future of data science awaits you. Please visit AICareerGuru.com for over 50 free online training sessions. Don't forget to subscribe for exclusive AI-powered step-by-step learning guides across several career paths you won't find anywhere else.